Soul family, I hope you're good. We are running an event this weekend called Soul Family Vibes. The idea is to bring Soul Tribe together so we can connect and play. We do have some workshops, we have nice food, we've even got Cuddle Puddles, we've got live music, we've got all sorts of great stuff happening, but the main intention is to create a space where we can come and connect. That's going to be the core of it. And honestly, like hand on heart, I am really wanting to be in this community of like-minded, like-hearted people. And I don't think we have enough spaces, especially now it's getting towards winter time. It's getting colder here in the UK, and having a space where we can come and connect. I don't know that many of them. It was great over the summer, being in fields, doing drum circles, all of that stuff. And a lot of the events I go to, there is, amazing sound healings, but it's always a lot of doing, dancing. There's always a lot of doing and not that much time for connection. So if you're free this weekend, this Saturday, come for our Future-Proof Soul Family Vibes event. You can find it on Eventbrite. Just type in Soul Family Vibes and you'll find it. I'll post a link if I can somewhere as well. And this Sunday, if you do want to dive deep, this Sunday I am teaching the most deep healing modality and DNA activation modality I've ever learned. It's called Quantum Regression and Integration Technology, QRIT, QRIT. And it is literally the thing that's transformed my life. I've been perfecting it for like 5 years now, and I'm going to share it with you. And this is, anybody can do it. You don't need any background in anything. Just turn up and you will learn a tool that will change your life, but then you can also use this on other people. So this is the level 1 certification. So you will have a certificate, you'll be certified, and you can then go and start helping people. I will say it's a deep journey. So you will get the level 1 and then you'll probably spend years perfecting it. And maybe you'll come and do the level 2 and when we can talk about that more if you're free. That's this Sunday. They're both in Manchester at the LightHouse Hub. So big shout out to brother Jake who runs the LightHouse. Jake's going to be running power breath work at the Soul Family Vibes this weekend. He's also going to be sharing some of his other magic. We have Cacao. We have Juliet Bryant who's coming. She's going to be running a workshop about masculine, feminine, how you can use that to create this most amazing connections with people and change your life. And we've got live music from Giles Bryant too. And if you would like to be in his Christmas song, so he's got a new Christmas single coming out. He's looking for people to sing, so he's going to actually record us live at the event and he's going to put that into his song. So if you want to come and be a part of that, that's on Saturday. So 2 different events. Saturday, Soul Tribe, Soul Family Vibes, come and connect. Sunday, deep dive, learn a modality that will change your life. Let me know if that sounds good. You can find it all on our Future-Proof Events Eventbrite page, or just message me. I can send you the link. Should we have a bit more gongage?